Багланда жүрүп ушул Өзбекстандан келген туристтерди жолуктуруп калдым. Болгондо дагы Андижандан 22 адам келиптир, аябай көп. Куш келипсиздер.
Очень красиво место вообще. Здесь мы первый раз. Ну, красота везде. Люди хорошие, добрые здесь.
I am from Bristol in England. Kyrgyzstan. Well, look around you, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful country, and I'm here to explore its beauty. I flew into Kyrgyzstan in January, and I've been in Kyrgyzstan for almost all the time since. I went to Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan for 2 weeks, but the rest of the time has been in Kyrgyzstan. But I'm hoping to go back to Isikul, see more of Isikul, and maybe south of Isikul into the mountains that are harder to explore. Too much. I knew that there were amazing mountains. I knew they had very tall mountains like Lenin Peak and Khan Tengri. And I know that there was a strong nomadic culture. I knew that it was going to be very difficult to be vegetarian. But yes, that's about it.
Меня зовут Зебо. Я приехала с Just Trip на тур. Очень понравилось. Атмосфера классная, народу много друзей приобрела, как сказать, знакомых. Очень живописная природа, очень красиво. Понравилось мне.